Welcome to Key Rust Concepts, your guide to mastering systems programming safety. This Level 200 content is designed for intermediate developers ready to level up. Let's dive into the core concepts that make Rust unique. Ownership is Rust's foundation for memory safety without garbage collection. Remember the 3 core rules. Each value has a single owner, only one owner at a time, and the value is dropped when the owner goes out of scope. When you move a value, the original owner can no longer access it, preventing use after free bugs entirely. Borrowing lets you access data without taking ownership through references. Immutable borrowing allows multiple readers but no mutation. Mutable borrowing allows only one mutable reference with no other references allowed. This simple rule prevents data races at compile time, making concurrent programming safe. Lifetimes tell the compiler how long references remain valid, preventing dangling pointers. The syntax may look unusual at first, but it explicitly shows the relationship between input and output lifetimes. The good news is that most of the time, the compiler infers lifetimes automatically. Traits define shared behavior across types, similar to interfaces in other languages. They enable polymorphism without inheritance and use compile time dispatch for zero-cost abstractions. Trait bounds ensure type safety while keeping your code flexible and reusable. Rust enums can hold data, making them incredibly powerful for modeling state. Pattern matching with the match keyword ensures you handle all cases exhaustively. The compiler won't let you forget a case, eliminating entire classes of bugs. Option represents optional values, eliminating null pointer exceptions entirely. Result handles errors explicitly, making them impossible to ignore. This forces you to think about error handling upfront, leading to more robust code. Generics let you write flexible code that works with multiple types while maintaining safety. Through monomorphization, generics have zero runtime cost. Trait bounds constrain generic types, and type inference reduces boilerplate significantly. Rust enables fearless concurrency with threads, channels, mutexes, and atomic reference counting. The send and sync traits automatically prevent data races at compile time. You can write concurrent code confidently, knowing the compiler has your back. Smart pointers provide heap allocation and sharing with compile time guarantees. Box gives you heap allocation with single ownership. RC enables multiple ownership. RefCell provides interior mutability, and Arc makes reference counting thread safe. Each has specific use cases for managing memory effectively. These core concepts embody Rust's philosophy: memory safety without garbage collection, concurrency without data races, and abstraction without overhead. Master ownership, borrowing, lifetimes, traits, and error handling to write safe, fast, and concurrent code. Practice these concepts consistently, and you'll become a proficient Rust developer in no time. Thanks for watching.